This is an introduction of how to use the digital voice recorder for the Spanish language AP exam. First, turn to the side and power it on by sliding over the bar. And the digital voice recorder will come on. It should show 00 for folders. It has to show 0 right now. The way the exam begins, it will ask you to record your AP number and then hit stop, and that way you make sure that the volume is correct. You always want to speak into the top of the microphone. Okay, the bottom does not have anything, so it's not like a cell phone. Speak into the top of the digital voice recorder. So you would hit the record button. My AP number is 12345. Then it will tell you to hit stop.
My AP number is 12345.
If you need to adjust the volume,
hit stop.
Then you will raise the volume there. If you wanted to play it again, just hit the play or enter button. And to stop it, just hit stop. Okay? Again, we can't have more than one folder when we turn it into the College Board to transfer over the file. So now we're going to erase it by hitting the erase button on the side. You're going to push the arrow over to yes for erase and hit the enter button. It will erase and go back to a folder of 00. Okay, so then it will tell you you're going to start recording. It will ask you to do your AP number. At this point, you never hit the stop button again until the very end. So throughout the entire exam, it will tell you when they want you to push pause, or you will just leave it recording. So if it doesn't tell you pause, don't hit it, just keep going. If it tells you to pause, then you hit pause. Make sure that when you are recording, it is flashing recording, so it's recording what you're saying. And at the very end, it will tell you to hit the stop button. Okay, if you hit the stop button before the very end, the whole thing will have to be redone or it will be no good. So you would hit record when it tells you. You would be recording as you're doing, answering the questions and stuff like that. And then you can hit pause. If it tells you that, it will show at the top that it is paused. And when it tells you to record another answer, hit record again and continue recording your answers. And again, once it tells you or you're done to hit pause, you would hit pause, wait for the next thing to start recording your answer again. And again, at times, it just has you continuously recording, listening, recording. At the very end, it says, now you're done, you may hit stop. So that's when you would hit the stop button. And it would start playing it back. And then you would hit stop again. And now you have one file, and that's the folder that's going to be sent over to the College Board. Okay, so continuously practice with the volume and erase. Noise cut is going to be, you want any background noise cut, and there's going to be a whole classroom of noise going on when we're recording, so make sure yours is on. Okay, and it will cut any background noise if it can. So be familiar with how to do play and stop, how to do record and pause, how to erase files, and that's what you need to know for the AP exam. Okay, you would erase just because we want to start with nothing, so go to yes and hit enter. So you're back to 0, and when you are done, you would go to power off, and it would be powering off. And that is it. So continuously practice prior to the AP exam. Thank you.